your elevator band kit. Here in this quick video, I am going to show you how to assemble the elevator band kit. Here you have your elevator band, okay, a pusher, an axle, and 2 springs, and it comes with 2 slides. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna grab our band and locate this offset pinion here. You're gonna grab your pallet facing away from you like so. You're gonna put it right over here. You're gonna grab your pin. Now let's notice that the pin has a pointy side. Give me 1 second here. Has a pointy side and a groove. See a groove in the center? Okay, we're gonna insert it from right to left like so. We're gonna put a little tip in first. Okay, we're gonna grab 1 slide like so and start it off. Okay, then here we're gonna grab our band. We're gonna pass it through. Okay, we're gonna grab another slide, put it in place. Okay, and we're gonna push this through. Okay, we're gonna apply a little bit of pressure in like this, so that pin goes all the way through. And if you have like a screwdriver or something that you can push on the back of the pin. Okay, now what happened here is that there is a groove and a thicker, this plastic here, it's a little thicker than the other side, and that is what catches on the groove on the metal axle there. Okay, so you always want to make sure that you assemble it correctly from right to left. Now we're going to get our springs. We're going to mount them just like so. Okay, and this is complete. If you have purchased or you have the soft product pushers, also known as bunny ears, they just simply go over here with this style screw, the one that has a flat head on the top. Okay, with flat like that, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna mount it here. So, and we're going to do the other one.